Hey, it's future me here, and I noticed I didn't put an outro on the video or an intro, so I just want to say hello, hi, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, subscribe if you want. If you don't, ugh, I'm not in the best mood today, but hey, how you doing? Literally just bought this, not just, it has a year, but like bought this hoodie because it said how do you doing, and I really wanted to be like, hey, how you doing? But yeah, it's not the best day, but editing makes me happy, so I'm editing, and this is why I'm recording this today, and keep on it with the video. I could. No, it has water. Can you just tell me if you can see my whole head?
Yeah, to here.
Oh, then it's too low. Could you stand there, please? Assistancy. Marvelous. Yeah?
Yeah.
That's good. Good to go. You've seen it probably. Should I? Oh, I have to. I'll do the intro later. Here are the peels, the banana peels. I'm doing it from memory because my eyes hurt. That's why I'm actually doing this now, because I would have recorded tomorrow but my eyes hurt, and I have this problem that I like to be productive. I need to be doing stuff all the time. It's a problem. So I'm gonna cook banana peels because apparently you can eat them. Not sure. Here's how we do this. I need to clean them and then boil them and season them.
That's very good
shred
for
them.
Cancer.
It is?
Inside, yeah, the inside is actually the most nutritious thing out of the whole fruit.
I didn't know that.
Yeah, and also it's used for teeth whitening. You rub in it.
Stop buying teeth whitening, just eat the banana peel. So I got the peels here. Apparently you take off the white stuff like this.
So satisfying.
Is it?
Yeah.
Goodness me. Yuck, just look at that. What the heck is that even? And then you take a fork and you basically do this all over the banana. Banana pasta. Literally. Oh, if you can make barbecue, can you make pasta with it? If you put pasta sauce.
Once you boil it, it's
Oh, but it's dry. Maybe I need to. Did I need to boil it first? Maybe I did. Okay, version 2. I'm gonna boil it. I'm not gonna boil it, but I'm gonna microwave it because that's the faster version of boiling stuff. Microwaving banana peels. Goodness me. What's my life turned into? This absolutely stinks. Hello. Yeah, this stinks. But yeah, they're boiled. Now let's try this again, shall we? They're so soft. I mean, I can't shred them without them breaking. They just keep breaking. You guys, I don't say you guys, you know. Do. They're like different lanes. It's not exactly what I thought. Oh, goodness me, that's not giving me the gug. Disgusting. You know what? I'm not even gonna do more than that because I feel like this is gonna be a flop. Do you see the color of the water afterwards? It's like reddish. Eek. Right, so this is how they look. They look, yeah, I don't know how this is gonna work. So it's time to season it. I kind of don't even want to spend the seasonings on this because I just feel like it's not fun. I've seen loads of people try it and liked it, but come on. It's a banana peel. Barbecue sauce, of course. Not that much. Salt and pepper also. Oh, that's a lot of pepper, sorry. Salt. I'm gonna be so surprised if this does work. Oh, I should have done that. Okay, so we put it on the pan. Time for the truth. I'm trying to look for something to... Yeah, with the spoon will do. Smells so weird. I mean, this does not look appealing, but I'll put a little bit more sauce on the side, just in case. Just in case we need to, you know, throw up and cover it. Ooh. Actually, it's not that bad. I was wrong. It's alright. It just tastes like... Oh, sorry. It just tastes like the barbecue sauce. It's not gross. In a bit I could feel the banana-y flavor, but it's not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. The experiment. So you're gonna see what we did, obviously, with the banana peels. This is where the bananas actually went to. Like she bought a protein powder from this brand, some warrior protein classic, whatever. It's not one of that I've tried before, to be fair. And now she's trying it for the first time.
And I don't usually like protein powder.
Initial thoughts of the smell?
The smell. I can recreate it.
She's not a fan of protein.
Mustard.
I am though. I eat protein a lot. I haven't buy that. I have my reasons why I haven't buy that brand.
The moment of truth.
The moment of truth. You just mix it with 2 bananas and the protein powder, didn't you?
Yeah.
Okay. Does it smell bad? Oh. Oh, I guess that's a no. I won't try.
Maybe if it was milk instead of water would have been acceptable, but that's water. And
Yeah, I think you shouldn't have put water.
But hey, I will fix this.
How?
At least for today.
Ice cream? Milkshake? But it's too watery now.
Well, at least it will have nice taste.
You see, Oprah, we use your ice cream for everything.
Yeah.
Oh, goodness me, no. What are you doing? I don't know. What are you doing?
Agave syrup.
Agave syrup. Attempt number 2.
Let's see. Please. Alright, smells better.
Those rolling eyes tell me the contrary.
That's not that bad now, actually. Taste it without smelling it. Not too late.
I will leave it there. But yeah, in case you were wondering what we did with the bananas, actually, this is before the bananas happened, so this is part of the bananas in my head. The banana thing, whatever.